Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to solve one of our most common question. Okay, so this question basically user does in MS Word, which is the mail merge. The mail merge activity, okay, which actually usually we do in the MS Word, but okay, in today's video we will learn how we can do it in Excel itself. This question was asked from one of our subscribers, Suresh, and I just thought to make a video on that topic. I thought that this will help all the people, okay, in order to learn it. Okay, so for example, if I will click on this here, you guys can see I have so many roll numbers, around 16 roll numbers I do have, and this is the format. In this format I only want to change on the basis of roll number. I want to change the name and these dates where I use the VLOOKUP. Okay, this is what I will tell you how to do it. Okay, and that is what, okay, I want the one single PDF with all the information of these details. For example, I do have a roll number 1, roll number 111, so I should have a one page for this, one page for this, but in one single PDF file. How we can do that? Let's click on the run and I'll show you the demo. Okay, so it's getting published and PDF file has been saved on the below path, okay, which is du to mails. Okay, so that is here. Okay, by the name of Akash PDF, right? I'm just right clicking on it and opening it in the Chrome. I'm opening it in the Chrome. You see I do have a different pages for the particular, for the different roll numbers. So 113 9 junior, and the dates are getting changed itself. I do have a different separate pages for each roll number. So the same I want in the VBA, just clicking on this run button. So here I do have this data set. I'm just copying it and pasting it in somewhere. For example, I'm pasting it here. Okay, and the sheet name, let me make it visible. Okay, let me make it visible. Active window dot display workbook tabs equal to true. Okay, I have done it. I just want to write, okay, this is the name sheet 1 and sheet 2. I am just exporting. I'm basically moving this sheet in that particular workbook. Let's move it book 1 at end, create a copy and click on OK. Simple. Okay, and I am closing this file. That's it. So here what I have done, I just created this, the format. You guys also can create it as per your requirement, but in my case I have just created this one. I do have this data set. What I want, as soon as the roll number is getting changed, all these details should get changed. So I'm just using equal to VLOOKUP. Simple VLOOKUP by row in the column number 2. Simple. Okay, and here equal to VLOOKUP on the basis of this roll number. I want 3 4 5 6. I want 3. Just copy it, paste it. Now change it 4. Now copy and paste it, change it as a 5, paste it. Let's change it as a 6. That's it. Now I just need to write the code. One more sheet I need to create for the template. I'm giving it as a temp. Okay, this is the sheet I do have. Now let's start writing code. I'm pressing alt F11. Okay, and here option explicit you need to write. Let's write the code. Mail merge dim sh as a worksheet, sh1 as a worksheet, sh2 as a worksheet, because I do have a 3 sheets. For each sheet I am declaring the variable and dim k as an integer. All right, and last, not next row as long. Now let's set the sheets. Set sh this workbook sheets, this workbook sheets. Set sh1 this workbook sheets 2, and the last one set sh2 this workbook sheets as temp. All right, sheets as temp. That's it. Now start. Now first, whatever details you do have in sh2 is your temp sheet. All the sheets should get, first of all we need to remove the grid line. Let's remove the grid line in order to make our format better. Now press alt F11 again to go back to the code. Use range dot clear. Whatever details you have, you are just clearing them. Okay, you just cleared, and after that you need to run the loop from to row number 2 to whatever details you have in sheet 1. A dot and excelup dot row. Next. Okay, now here we need to do one thing. Now we don't need to do anything. All right, it's getting changed. Okay, so alt F11 here. If we have a value, if we have a value k dot value is unequal to blank, then I want the roll number here where in b6, b6 dot value equal to sh dot range a and k. This is the dynamic thing. As soon as the loop will get run, automatically roll number will get changed, and on the basis of roll number we have used here VLOOKUP against the each roll number we will have a respective values. Okay, alt F11 again. Now here you have come back. What you need to do is next, what you need to do, you just need to copy it from where, from A1 to I26. So just copy it from range A1 to A1 to I26. Copy it as it is. You need to copy and paste it where range F10 48576 dot and excelup dot row. Why I am doing this? This is the line where we will get where to paste. For example, I just copied it. Okay, copied because we need to paste it. We need to paste it one by one. I mean, under, for example, I pasted it here. Then again the second format where to paste. Okay, paste it here. So we need to get this row number. So this is why we are just moving from F10, because in F10 we have a signature of the principal. So on the basis of this, that we will have a destination where we can paste it. Okay, alt F11 again, and after that whatever the row number we have got, so we need to come here and dot offset 1,0 dot select, and after the selection active cell dot active cell dot and excel to left dot paste special all, first thing. Okay, and after that sh2 use range dot columns auto fit, we need to auto fit it, and after that we have declared one variable which is next row. Okay, here again you need to copy this line, copy it and paste it here, but we need to change what, the row number. Okay, row number 1, not 1,0, it should be 2,0, yeah, 3,0. Let's keep it as a 2 and 2. We need to create the page, we need to have a here page break. Okay, sh2 dot page break. Okay, h page break dot add before add before sh dot cells. Here row number would be our next row in 1. Okay, I mean the column number 1, simple. And after that what I need to do is, we have done everything. What next you need to do is, you need to delete. For example, I'm running it one by one. You see, I'm running it one by one. We need to activate the sheet as well while pasting it. Copy it and paste it. sh2 dot select. Okay, now let's run it. F8, let me remove it, and after that what do you need to do? F8 next key. We have forgotten to use and if. F8 copy, select it and paste it. Here you see, and auto fit it, right? Copy and paste. The page breaker actually got created. How? Where? You see, page breaker, you see after the signature in the second, here we have created, right? Now what you need to do is, again after that, after doing everything, we need to delete these two row number 1 and 2. So here you need to write like this: sh2 dot range from a1 to a2 dot entire row dot delete. Okay, and after that you need to export it. sh2 dot export to pdf, where pdf file name would be, file name here, let's give a file name File name would be whatever the file name we will have. File name here I'm giving as letter, simple letter. Okay, letter. And after that, file name would be this workbook dot path. File name would be sh dot range, in which k1 in k1 we have a name of the pdf file dot pdf, simple. And after that, let's clear the data of whatever data we have in sh in the temp sheet. Okay, and after that I want the message box, uh, pdf file has been exported, yes, saved in below path. Path would be your VB new line. Path would be your this workbook dot path. Simple. Okay, now let's run it in one go. I am pressing F5 directly. You see, everything is getting changed. There will be one problem I'll show you. Document not saved. The document not may be open or error may be encountered when saving. Debug. Here, what is the problem? Problem we have here, I think we have a letter.pdf. We do have a data. No, we have not received. sh2.export this workbook.path. Yeah, everything is good to go here. If I can see, all right. Why we have a problem? We need to also remove the page breaker as well. Okay, and after that, sh2 dot page h sh dot page. We also can leave it, no worries. Okay, and after that, why we are not able to save the file? sh2 dot export as fixed format. It's all right. Okay, now again let's run it. Again we are running. Press F5. Document not saved. The document may be open or an error may have been encountered when saving. This workbook.path we have a blank things, you see. So unable to fetch out because this file is not saved yet. So let's save it first. File, go to the file, save it. Where? Browse. Or we also can do one thing. We can give here save path. Okay, and where I want to save, I want to save here. Copy it and paste it. I pasted in K2. So here I can also write, instead of this workbook I can write here sh dot to range K2 dot value. Okay, and I can remove all the page breaker first. Break, remove, sorry, come here, break, reset all page breakers. Okay, now let's run it. I'm pressing, if we don't have any PDF so far, okay, by the name of letter, I'm just pressing F5. As soon as I pressed, you see PDF file been saved on blow path. In the blow path we have not given anything, right? So what we can do is, we can give here, instead of this workbook I can directly write here sh.range k2 dot value. Then we will get a full message box. Let me show you. Letter, right click and open it with the Chrome, you see I have a separate pages for each roll numbers. You see, this is what I think, Suresh, you are looking for. And for other user, I will attach this file for your references. You guys can download it for your practice purpose. Okay, so I hope guys you have liked this video. Instead of doing it in I mean in MS Word, let's also start doing in Excel using VBA. So I hope guys you have liked the video, and thank you so much everyone for watching the video.